Chop! 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 Chop!
Oh my god, be careful. That was expensive.
Chop! I don't even know how to start this. My cat was getting in the garbage. What up, everyone? This is AIDS. If you're new to the channel, what up? I assume you're new to the channel because this is my first video like this. That's not just being a beat uploaded. But today, I've got something special. I'd like to think. Because I'm going to show you how I walk through my beat making process in Studio One. I'm not an FL user. I'm not a Logic user. I'm a Studio One user. I love the DAW. I love the workflow. I'm not sponsored. Although if you do want to sponsor me, hit me up. But anyways, I digress. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I make trap beats. So yeah, let's get this going. I've got a chord progression pulled up. Well, not pulled up. I clicked it in. But I'm at 160 BPM. As you can't see. I'm in the key of D minor. But yeah. Nothing too special, you know. I'm gonna add a melody on top here. Show you guys what I do, and show you some pretty cool tricks in Studio One. So I'm gonna click this little white dot, and it's gonna pull up this instance of Omnisphere, just grayed out. I'm not gonna be able to edit it because I don't have this thing clicked on, but what I'm gonna do is essentially create a melody off my chord progression and probably transpose it up once or twice. But I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be back. I'll just cut it or some shit. And just so this melody doesn't get dumb repetitive or whatever, I'm gonna switch some notes around. So select them all, and then just so it's not sounding like this note's being pressed at the same level the whole fucking time, so it's not robotic. I have it set to Command or Control if you're on Windows, H, and that brings up the humanize macro, and you can fuck with the velocity range. Just set your different notes and shit, and it also has a built-in strum thing, so that's pretty cool. Now we'll switch it up to the 808. I've got that sounds that's why MIDI controller was up an octave. We got that. It's pretty bumping. I need to do something real quick. I need to tune this bad boy. So tuning your 808 is very important. I'll probably make a video about it. It's not a long video, but now I'm gonna click these notes here and just drag them down an octave so I can get some bass notes going on my chords. Okay, and then with those, I'm gonna Command C, copy, and I'm gonna Command V and paste. Oh fuck, that is. Move that up an octave. Alright, so we just got a simple 808 going here. You can make your chops wherever you feel wherever you feel is necessary. There's no right or wrong. I like to make transition chops, so I'll show you what that sounds like. You see how Yeah, you heard it. I know you did. But yeah, so I'm going to do that. I'll probably switch it up a little bit going into the next 4 bars. I like to create 4 bar loops, and then I'll duplicate that over, and then, you know, fuck with some shit on those next 4 bars, so you're not hearing the same 4 bar loop over and over again. This is my kick. So pretty much I'm just gonna match it with the 808 pretty much the whole time. I need to turn that down. All right, so with the drums, I always make them like on separate tracks. If I'm clicking them in, I don't know. That's just I don't know. That's just the way I do it. And in Studio One, for all my drums, I'll just pull up an instance of Impact. But I'll play it for you. It's a pretty simple kick, clap, and there's a shaker here and there. I'll solo them actually. Very simple, nothing special. Like I said, we're just doing a simple trap beat. Now for this is gonna be our hat. It's muted, that's why. I have this kind of like lowish clicky hat I feel like would fit in pretty well. So what I'm gonna do here in my quantized box, I'm gonna change this to an eighth, and then I'm gonna click this note and I'm gonna hit split at grid, and what that's gonna do is pretty much give me like a 2-step pattern just to start with. So I'm going to bring up the paint tool, and then I'm going to click down here in my little velocity thing. I'm just going to drag this up so it sounds like they are just flowing upwards. Now I feel like this trap beat, it's got like a little dark feel going to it, so what I'm gonna do is pull up my mixer, go to that bell, and pull up Shaper Box. Underrated as fuck. I need to buy the fucking whole plugin. I only have the demo. Go to time. I'm gonna solo this. Yeah, that's fucking nasty. Alright, now we're pretty much at the part where I'm finna just switch some shit up on that second part of that. On the second 4 bar, so on the second half of the 8 bars. All right, now I got some variation in my drums, so I'm gonna work on the melody and the chords. So what I did with the chords here is I just took the mid notes for each chord and just transposed them up an octave, but I still kept them in there. So it's just a little top layer going on there. And then for the melody, I'm just gonna do some switching around on the other side. So all right, I'll play that for you real quick. Got some variation going. It's very subtle, but it doesn't get the listener's ear too tired. I hope. So I mean, I pretty much got the main the main loop going. So I'll just branch out from here and add if need be. But I'll show you a quick arrangement process, and then hopefully show you guys full beat. I don't think it's that good. I just went through it kind of quick, but whatever. Nigga.
AIDS killed this shit.
Alright, this is pretty much the full beat. It's not mixed or anything, so don't expect that, but that would probably be another video, or I don't know. Alright, and that's going to do it for today's tutorial. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, do whatever. I'm going to post a lot more frequently, a lot more often. That goes with my Instagram as well. I've been slacking on that a little bit. But, yeah, I'll see you fuckers in the next one. Deuce. Hope you guys like the content. Adios.